Hey guys, so today I'm going to continue with the decluttering and organizing of my clothing since you guys enjoyed the closet declutter so much. So I thought I would show you the dresser. It has been a few weeks, maybe even a month or two since I did the declutter on the closet, but I still haven't touched these drawers, and as you can see, they are overflowing and I really need to get rid of a lot of stuff. And I'm also going to be trying the KonMari method. I'm so sorry if I am mispronouncing that. I don't know much about it, but I know that it's supposed to help you like make more space and all of that and just organize things better. So anyway, if you want to see this declutter and organizing, just keep on watching. All right, so I have blackish ready and we're going to get into this. I'm going to place my phone on the tripod. Again, I'm using my phone just like in the other video just because I can keep it plugged in as opposed to a camera. It would just die really fast and then this would literally take me all day. So let me place this on the tripod, put my show on, and then we'll get into these drawers. Okay, so this is the top drawer on the right side and it is where I keep my underwear. I hope that this isn't too awkward. I put my bathing suit here in the front just so that things wouldn't be too weird. And then that is how I organize my undies. And funny enough, they're actually folded in like a KonMari method type of way, and I didn't even know that was a thing. I just fold them like that and then they look like little tacos or little burritos, and then they just fit perfectly and I can see each and every one of them. And then I just have like more bathing suits in the back, and that's just a little scent cushion that I got for free from Victoria's Secret. It keeps everything smelling nice and perfumey, I guess, because it's Victoria's Secret. And that's basically it. I don't really need to do anything with this drawer, but I just wanted to show you how I organize that. And then like the bras are just laid out like this, one in front of the other, and these are just like little box tops. These are from a Glossy Box. Let me see if I can, it doesn't have the name because this is the bottom part. These are just like random boxes that I have recycled from other things. This is a beauty box in case you don't know what Glossy Box is. But yeah, I didn't really buy like anything fancy to organize this or anything. I just recycled some boxes and they work out perfectly. I have 3 of them, as you can see, and everything else is just laid out like this. This is the second drawer on the right side, and here I just have tank tops on this side and then a whole bunch of socks on this side. And these are just like my fuzzy warm winter socks, which I keep in this bag usually, but since it's been cold, they're just kind of like all over the place. My tank tops are not very organized, even though they are just like stacked one on top of each other. There's just a better way to do it, so we're gonna start with this drawer right now. And right before we get into the actual decluttering of the drawers, I just wanted to show you kind of how the KonMari method works in terms of folding. So this is how I usually have the tank tops, just like laid on top of each other, but the KonMari method says that you lay your item of clothing out like this. You pretend that there is a line right here in the center, and then you take the sides and kind of like meet them both in the center like this. And it's actually kind of funny because I usually fold my shirts sort of like this, but instead of doing what I'm going to show you next, I just kind of like do this and then just put them like that. So instead of doing just that, what you would do is take the top of it, fold it here like a third, and then the bottom of it like this, and it's supposed to stand on its own. And then you just like place them like this next to each other, and then that way when you open your drawer you can just see all of your items. Alright, so here's how that drawer turned out. It looks so much better. I also placed this little basket from Dollar Tree right here to hold all of my socks except like the fuzzy ones. But I have so much more space. I did get rid of some things, but mostly it's the way that they're folded now. You can see that I still have some space here if I push them back, and then on this side I have like a lot of space if I push them back. But I'm just going to kind of arrange them like this so I can, just so they stay nice and tidy, and I can close the drawer perfectly, and it looks so much better. I do have some tights back here. These socks are like overflowing a little bit, but that's totally fine with me. So on to the next drawer, which is this one, and also this drawer right here. They are kind of similar. I have more like active clothing. So here I have a bunch of like sports bras and leggings, and then I have just some like t-shirts on this side, and also like in the front here. I can like barely close this drawer. It's so uncomfortable. Same with this one on that side. I have a bunch of like sweatpants, but I also have like a few leggings that have kind of just like overflowed to that side. So I'm going to do both of them at the same time. I'm just going to like empty them, and then I'll show you once I'm like putting everything back in both of the drawers. Okay, so here is what this drawer looks like. In here I decided to put all of my workout leggings, t-shirts, sleeveless tops for workout, and then all of my sports bras are on this side. And can you see the huge difference? I mean, it is amazing the fact that I was not even able to open that drawer before, and now just everything that was in there before is in there now, except for like a few tops that I got rid of, but most of the things are still there, and everything just looks so tidy and just so neat and organized. So this is what that second drawer looks like. In here all I put was all of my sweatpants are on this side and that side, and then just like a few random things over there on that side. And as you can see, everything just fits perfectly in here. I think I only got rid of 2 sweatpants, which it makes a huge difference. And it's not even the fact that I got rid of 2 sweatpants, but the fact that everything is folded this way now. It's pretty amazing. I love how this looks. I can just easily close it, have no issues with overflowing, and I still have some space over there in case I want to put anything else in here. Alright, so here's the third drawer on the left side, and in here I have all of my PJs, PJ bottoms, PJ tops, PJ tunics. Some robes are in there as well, and it is just a mess. I actually don't have any trouble like closing this drawer, but everything is just messy and we don't want it to look like that. So let's get into this drawer. Also, I do want to point out that the first drawer on this side, all I have in there are like products like lotions, pads, panty liners, tampons, all of that. So we don't really need to organize that drawer. Everything in there looks pretty neat and just it has its place. I do have to go through lotions because I have way too many, but other than that, everything in there is pretty organized. So here is what the PJ drawer turned out like. I had so much space left over that I actually decided to include that pink sweater and that pink robe. I was going to put them in my closet, but since I had so much space, I just put them back in here, and I still have a ton of space. Like if I push everything to the back, I still have so much space, which is incredible. I did get rid of some things, but honestly not much. And yeah, this is what that drawer looks like. Also wanted to mention that the drawer under this, which is the last one on the left side, we're not going to go through that because there aren't really like clothing items in there. That's just like random stuff, so we're not going to get into that. But we do have the bottom one on the right side, so let's go to that one. So here is the very last drawer that we will be decluttering and organizing. In here I have some jeans, jeggings, and also like pants. And I think I have 2 shorts in there, which is all the shorts that I own. So this is going to be super quick because I know that I want to get rid of like most of the pants and maybe like half of the jeans. So let's just get into this one. So here is what the jeans and pants drawer looks like. I have some jeans and jeggings. I actually got rid of all of my pants because I don't really wear them. I no longer work in an office setting, so I just got rid of all of them. And then I have some shorts. On this side, I actually own 4 shorts. Didn't even realize it. So this is what that looks like. As you can see, I have so much space behind these pants right here. I actually have a lot of space in the entire drawer. If I push this side back, I have a lot of space here too. But this is what that looks like, and that is the final drawer. And I'm completely done with my dresser decluttering and organizing, and I'm so happy with how everything looks. I'm so excited that everything is organized, that I can close my drawers the proper way, and I'm not struggling anymore. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this type of videos, let me know, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe and also turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. And again, thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely weekend.